Don't be surprised if you are redirected towards a child porn or a pornographic website link or a virus-laden web page. Cybercriminals have innovative ways in which they could trick you to visit a malicious link. Here are a few sample websites. New free ebooks.com, thebestbooklibrary.com are the two websites examples which use link attacks on the user. Website ending with .info, .ly, .us are proven to be malicious. Not all, but most of them. Link attacks are of two types. Now let us look at them. Plant attack. The cybercriminals plant malicious JavaScript pop-up redirects into legitimate web page. The cross-site scripting flaw is exploited. The page load attack. The attack is auto-launched with a virus as soon as the page loads. The attack is compatible to compromise network and your system. Now let me show you a live cyber attacks which is happening worldwide. If you go to this website, you can see these are the types of cyber attacks which are happening worldwide. Live, that too live.